We started in 1932 during the Great Depression. My great-grandfather started the business right on Corned Beef Row in downtown Baltimore City.
I think the Saval Foods family has done a tremendous job of trying to figure out ways to better what we do so that we can have more opportunities and continue to sustain ourselves as a company.
We do business with integrity, and we work hard for our customers. And when you work hard for your customers and you pay close attention to them, they'll take care of you. For a restaurant to succeed, they need to consistently offer an exceptional dining experience. And in order to do so, they need to have the highest quality ingredients available to them. We have a team of chefs that work with our procurement team to source the finest quality products from all over the world.
We want to be a part of how they procure product, giving them new culinary ideas, helping them out when they need something special.
We carry over 10,000 items, including custom-cut steaks, fresh seafood, produce, paper goods, and a variety of groceries.
Some of those items we make at our manufacturing entity, Deli Brands of America. They are a deli manufacturer, and also we do cut steaks that you can order one day and get the very next day.
We carry all the national brands and work with many local suppliers and farms to bring unique products to the marketplace.
We want the customer to just worry about their operations of their business and their customer service and not have to worry about the products coming in the door.
We know that if we focus on our customers first, our company will be all right.
The pandemic was a shock to the system. So here at Saval Foodservice, we had to figure out what we could do to help the restaurants continue in business. The most logical thing we thought is that there's a lot of people in need, and we had a lot of perishable products that were going to go bad. So we went into the community and begun serving the unemployed workers with our product, and then that grew, and we became familiar with a lot of nonprofit needs, and we've been doing nonprofit feeding ever since.
The main thing that we need to do is, as a supplier, is to help and protect our customers and offer the flexibility that they need.
I think our customer service is unsurpassed, and I really mean that, and sometimes you don't know that until you do business with us, but once you do business with Saval Foodservice, you're going to be a customer of Saval Foodservice for a long time to come.
The restaurants are a place where people go to celebrate special occasions, to socialize, to meet new people. So it's special when they're going to a place. So we want to make sure we're able to offer them the highest quality products, give them the best service they can at a very fair price.